Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2018 Volkswagen Tiguan Trendline. Coming in this nice whitish gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2-liter engine, has front-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get a tow hitch, we got a backup camera, license plate bracket, little roof spoiler with roof rails, and moving to the front here, we do get turn light indicator mirrors, and on the front, we have that nice license plate bracket and that nice Volkswagen grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see we do have tons of cargo space. You can collapse your last row by just pulling that. Since it is so far back, it makes your life easier. 12 volt, you got storage cubbies, cargo mat, all that fun stuff, and you can lift this up for additional storage underneath, and you do get a nice additional tonneau cover that you can clip to the back right there. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray and black cloth interior, storage cubbies, floor mats, plenty of door space with some cloth on the door. You got rear vents and some storage, USB and a 12 volt. And of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have manual seats with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, and you have your lights all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 95,238 kilometers. We do have a nice vinyl wrap steering wheel. You have your phone, toggle over your screen, playback, play forward, voice, volume, and your cruise control. Looking here, we have our stored messages, so driving data, audio, phone, vehicle status, and all that fun stuff. To my right, we have our parking brake, auto stop, auto start, gear select, cup holders, and storage. You got your center console here with even more storage underneath. You got storage below with 2 USBs, an aux, and a 12 volt. You got your climate controls right here with your heated front seats. You do get storage in the glove compartment. And looking at our main screen here, we have our radio, media, volume. You can turn it on and off, phone, voice, app, sounds, car, and menu. For your radio, it will look like this. We have Sirius XM capabilities, Bluetooth, AM, FM, all that jazz. Here's your media control. You can connect to your phone for Bluetooth. You got your voice controls just right here. Your app controls are just conveniently right there. You do get Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Mirror Link, which is all nice. You can upgrade your sounds right here based on what you like. Your car info is right here, so vehicle status, tire pressure, and all that fun stuff. And your main menu where you can go through all your different widgets. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B7859A, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.